Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series, guys. E90, E91, 92, 93, and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the secondary air pump. Now, not every BMW comes equipped with secondary air pump. It depends on your model, on your configuration, your emissions and all that stuff. Usually you can check the sticker here for the emissions and you'll say if you have a secondary air pump or not. Ours does not have, but we'll show you where to find the fuse. Whether you have it or not, the procedure will be the same, guys. So usually if you have secondary air pump, it will be right here. Okay, that's where the pump will be. There is no way that you can miss that thing. And the fuse will be located, guys, behind the glove box. Now, BMW uses 3 different glove boxes, fuse boxes, excuse me, depending on when your car was built. So, if you come on the passenger side, open your glove box. Okay, right here now, you have that cover that we need to remove by turning the thing straight up, pull it out, and this is where your fuses are located. Now, if you have the fuse, guys, in our case, for our year build and model, will be a 50 amp fuse, and it will be fuse number 70. Fuse number 70 is a big fuse. Okay, you can see those big fuses. So if you go on the very bottom row, okay, the last fuse, okay, this one right here that's missing, this is fuse number 70, and this is the secondary air pump fuse. Okay, so you can see this one right here. The one before that is the radiator fan fuse. So the first one from right to left on the very bottom, or if you go from left to right, okay, I think it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth one, 6th fuse. So this fuse, guys, is for secondary air pump. According to our book here, it says that it's a 50 amp fuse. Okay, number 70, it's a 50 amp fuse, so that's what it states. Our model does not come with that thing. It has different emissions, so if you have it, guys, that's where it will be for that year and model. So hopefully, okay, the video will be helpful to some of you guys. If you need help with anything, don't forget to check out the channel for more videos. Also drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem, and even some of our subscribers might be able to help you. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.